Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add Facebook page to Google Business Profile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your web browser and go to business.google.com and sign into your account. Once you're on your Google Business Profile dashboard, simply select your business where you want to add Facebook page. Here, look to the left side of the screen for the Edit Profile icon. Click on it to open a list of fields you can edit. Inside this section, you'll see a dedicated area for contact, which includes the option to add external links, such as your social media profiles. Scroll down a bit more until you reach the Social Profiles section, which is specifically where you can integrate your Facebook page. You'll see a drop-down menu listing all available platforms, so choose Facebook from that list. After selecting Facebook, a text field will appear beside it. Enter the full URL of your Facebook page in this box, making sure the link is correct so visitors can reach your page without any issues. When you've added the URL, don't forget to click Save. This is an important step because it ensures that the changes you've made are stored and properly reflected on your business profile. And that's it. So that is how you can add a Facebook page to Google Business Profile, so that's all for this video. Thanks.